What's up, you guys? We're going to learn how to create this simple Instagram story by using a simple iPhone cutout hack. So stay tuned. Let's get it. First, you are going to go into your stories. Then you'll click on your photos and you're going to just grab the photo that you want to use for the background. I chose this one with my little, looking over to the little side, and you're going to go to the 3-dot tool thingy, click on the highlighter pen, I guess that's what it is, and choose a color. I chose white because I just wanted to pop more when I go ahead and put my cutouts on top of it. So after you do that, you're going to go out of Instagram, go into your photos, choose the photo that you want, and you're going to long press on it until you see that little shock thingy, and you'll press copy, leave out of photos, go back into Instagram, swipe it out the way, and then you're going to just tap on the screen or either tap where it says text and hold it and press paste. You'll hold the screen and press paste, and it's going to paste your cutout, your copy of your cutout. And you're going to do this again. Go out of Instagram, go back into your photos, find a different picture. I'm about to scroll through my pictures real quick, find a picture that I want to use. And once again, you're going to long press it until you see the shock, press copy, log out of your photos, go back into Instagram, long press on the screen or either click the letters, paste that on there like so, position it wherever you want, and you're going to repeat this process one more time for the center picture so it can really pop. So log out of Instagram, go back into your photos, find the picture of the center piece, copy, paste. We got to find the center picture, which is here. Long press that till it shocks, copy, get out of there, go back into Instagram, and paste it. And it looks like it's a lot of work, but it's really not. Like, this took me like all of 3 minutes to create because I knew what I was doing. So at this point, you might have to go to the letters, paste it, position her where you want her. Like, so you want her to not cover like the entire back because that's how you get that like shadow effect in the back. You kind of just move your copy picture over and position her like so. So after you do that, now it's time to add all the cool shit. So at first I was like, I know I wanted to say new arrivals. No, I do not have a boutique. I don't have a fashion brand or nothing like that. But if you have a boutique and you are looking for content creators, UGC creators, or influencers, I am your girl because I can't tell you how many people have asked me for this outfit. Okay, honey? And if the brand was paying me, they would be getting paid. So I will be doing some reaching out to them. But I decided like I didn't really like that. So I was like, I'm going to make my own new arrivals banner. And so that's what I'm doing. I went to text. I typed in new arrivals a couple times until it like filled across the screen. New arrivals, new arrivals. And I also wanted it to make it the color of what I'm wearing. I wanted it to color coordinate. And so I slid it down and I chose a different text so you can really see it pop. And I'm going to use the color tool to just choose the color that I have on because I want it to match exactly. You'll see me use the color tool again if you didn't really catch it this time. I think I used the color tool at the top. So I'm just going to copy this and paste it because I ain't feel like typing it again. So I can do my next line, paste. And I'm going to make this one white. Do the same thing, slide it all the way down to the smallest. Whoops, I didn't mean to move her. But you can if you want to have that going through the back of her. Like how it's going down there through my legs. You're going to stretch it out, twist it, put it down there at the bottom or whatever, make it look cute. maybe reposition your models, because whatever you press on last, well, I had to throw that away because I was like, she not working. Whatever you press on last is what's going to be on top. So I pasting it again, and this time I'm going to choose, I think this is where you do the colors. No, I'll do the colors on the real one. Position her up top, paste again, slide it down, make it as small as I can, and here I use the color picker. So to use the color picker, you're just going to go to the colors, and you see that little droplet right there. You'll choose the droplet, and you'll just tap anywhere on the photo to grab the exact color that you want. Place them up there like so, and then I started repositioning my models, which is me, because I kind of wanted it to look like the banners was like going through my legs, and I think it just gave it this really super dope, bossy ass effect, if I must say so myself. And that is how I did it, simply with my iPhone. Yeah, so make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already, because your girl helps the girls get to the content bag. Okay, my name is Kiara Sade, and I am out. Peace.